Welcome. I am from Jordan. I learned Python. It's super easy, but my environment is pushing me away from my way most of the time. I delayed doing my to-do list. Also, I learned JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and feel lost. No project about them. Yeah, but you feel lost because you don't know how to use these tools, right? So guys, we keep on coming back to this, and that's okay, because I love repeating this message because it's an important message. When you start talking about JavaScript, CSS, Python, neural networks, Keras, whatever, those are tools. They're not a methodology. They're not a process. They're not, and quite frankly, they're not data science, right? You're a mechanic with a very nice, big, shiny toolbox, but no mechanic skills, right? Here, let me get some of my tools. As I tell you guys, I love having my own tools, and I have this massive toolbox next to me. So you have this, right? This is one of my socket sets, and I have like a lot of these, like I have a lot more in my toolbox. You have this, but you don't know how to use these, right? That's why the projects don't come, because you don't know how to put all of these together and make them work, right? So my advice to you is to focus on the methodology. Like, why would you do data science? What is a data science project and what isn't a data science, right? Otherwise, you just have a nice, shiny toolbox. I have a big toolbox, by the way. It's right next to me. It's just off camera. But it's worthless if you don't know how to use these, right? So take the time to step back and figure out what data science is, right? The methodology behind it. And I might write that book, by the way. That's another project I have on my list. When people are asking me about the meetups and stuff, I got other things I want to write too. But that's why the projects aren't coming, because you don't understand how to use those tools, right? I know that for a lot of you, like, oh, I took this CSS course on Coursera and I learned about neural networks. Like, I know that feels like progress, right? But they're just tools. They're just tools. You don't know how to do them until, you actually use them. All right, guys, hold on a second. Come on, man. What is wrong with people today? Give me just a second, guys. Did that